representing Snobs. From Helsingborg, lead Simon Rylander, tenor Henrik Rosenberg, bass Kenneth Nielsen, and baritone Johannes Bergman. Q-tones.
My broken heart, you tore it apart. Now I don't feel right. Help me, maybe my baby, you'll give me some love tonight. Treat me like a fool, treat me mean and cruel, so cruel. But love me, will you love me? Break my faithful heart, tear it all apart, but love me, won't you love me? If you ever go, darling, I'll be so lonely, I'll be so lonely. I'll be sad and blue, crying over you. But I will beg and steal, I will beg and steal, just to feel. I'm begging you just to feel your heart, I want your heart beating close to mine, so close to mine. If you ever go, I'll be sad and blue, crying over you, dear only, oh yeah. But I will beg and steal, I'm gonna keep begging and stealing. I'll always be needing to feel. I gotta keep feeling, baby, I'm kneeling, praying, so don't be delaying your heart. I need your loving heart close to mine, even so close to mine. Well, if you ever go, baby, don't go, darling, you know that I'll be ever so lonely. I'll be ever so lonely, begging on my knees. All I ask is please love me, baby, oh please love me. So you think you're Mr. Big Shot, you're a king upon a throne. You can shock and jive, oh man alive. But it just don't mean a thing when you're alone. You're all alone. You're nobody till somebody loves you. Someone loves you. You're nobody till somebody cares. No one till someone cares. You may be king, you may possess the world. it's gold, but gold won't bring you happiness when you're growing old. The world still is the same, you'll never change it, won't change it. As sure as the stars shine above, you're nobody till somebody loves you. So find yourself somebody to love, find somebody to love. The world still is the same, you'll never change it, you're never gonna change it. As sure as all the stars shine above, the stars above, you're nobody till somebody loves you. So find yourself somebody, you just gotta have somebody, oh honey, you find somebody to love.